Yes, it's a really happy moment because we are joining another presentation slide. So yes, so in this slide we going to see about why don't sit for too many hours times by simply sitting, because this slide we will be completely going to see about that why we don't have to sit. Okay, so sit is a we are sitting a chair, yeah, sofa, and playing games, or doing work in front of laptop, PC, whatever, something we everything we do by sitting and take rest. There is like it's a kind of a rest we are taking in rest. So rest of state is like a sitting is also that one of, because we are doing a many works by standing and uh, pulling our muscles and doing a heavy works. So we everyone starting to sit for 5-10 minutes, but this is a one side. There's a two kinds of people. So doing a job is like a some one kind of people is they are pushing, they have to work with their physical, they have to earn money by doing the all the physical works like painting, or when building a home, when build a home. So we need a many concrete, many works. So many kind of peoples is like required. So these are the peoples working on with their physics. Okay, if they have good physics they can work better. So there is a one more kind of peoples are working with the knowledge. Okay, so that kind of peoples are don't need to stretch their physical. So instead they have to use their knowledge. So that kind of peoples must view this video, because this video is session is all about why we don't have to sit for a long hours. Okay, so it kind of that one. So yeah, this is the slide I getting from. So the getting your chair can save your life. Yeah. Even the caption is look very catchy. So yeah, let's get into the next slide. So yeah, technologicals, and here we are seeing a computer, TV, and playing games. Yeah, you seen these three are the things that are mostly it is like a mostly spreaded through that this society, because many of the persons are there is three things that are addicted with. uh, like take a children's, they are in a playing and video games, and that parents they are watching TVs and play using a computer. So this is the three is very major need, major important, major major tools for invented. But because here we are now, people are not using them as wisely, because I'm just saying, if we watching a TV, if we started watching a TV, turn on the TV, we viewing that all the contents and that all the contents on the channels. So we don't know how the times as surfing, how the time has going through, because the time is like when you sit in front of TV or games or computers, it like a time is like a 10 hours, even a 1 hour it goes like a 5 minutes. 1 hour will went through like a 5 minutes, because the time is running very fast, because we are we viewing that all the videos or all that and the graphics that capture us, that capture and that completely engaged with those things as. So we didn't know how the time is going through. So but here that complete here that here that the basic thing why did this slide meaning is, the slide is meaning of that we don't that we are spending a much time. Yes, that we are, this is the three things we are nowadays in a human being in 21st century spending lots of time to this, because they are simply sitting and viewing this all the things. So we don't care of about we simply sitting. When we are simply sitting, it's like the blood circulation should happen in our body. So it goes like a up and down, it should go. So when we are simply sitting, the blood is always engaged and also stayed on that place. So we have to do a so we have to be, if we are sitting like this, then there is a some trouble. Okay, so it would be like that. So in this they are saying this is that, so this is that like the average people 15.5 hours sitting each day. Totally these many hours are we are sitting totally. Just think about 15.5 hours. Okay, we are sitting simply and spending our living our day. It's not a rightest one, am I right? Because we have to be wake up, we have to be wake and walk stretch ourselves and exercise, it's all are very required. So I'm just saying these all are the things as required for required. So we have to be wake up, okay. So these are the three things always engaged with us in not in that at one home. There is a every home. This is that happening in that society, okay. So yeah, that's what this slide is meaning of. Then yeah, some health studies have presented evidence. So yeah, this is a kind of we are wantedly pulling ourselves into the deadly practice, because when we are keep sitting, it's like a it leads to that problem, because there is a many researches end up with it, they getting a result of it. We are it is like a slow poison. We are committed to dead. So this is that the meaning of we don't have to sit for long hours, because it is not good for a body. There is a many researches are conducted and done by many of the universities and many of the corner of this world. This has been done. So they were getting that some results of this, like. So here that presentation is telling that we don't have to sit for a more time or more minutes and seconds, cause it will be lead to that dead. It will be lead to that slow dead, okay. So because when we are simply sitting, it's like a no blood circulation inside that body. There is a no action movements, only simply sitting and engage with something, even a games, computer or a television, watching a television. It will be like a not a goodest one, am I right? It's not a goodest one. So that we should know what's that, this is all or not a good one. So that what is that we have to do instead of sitting on that time. What should we have to do to prevent ourselves from this deadly practice? Yeah, next slide we will see. So exercise. So here is the first tip, okay friends. Here I am going to give a tips to prevent ourselves from this deadly practice, even though I'm doing this video by sitting in bed. So yeah, but please kindly listen these advices, because it is very mandatory to prevent ourselves this from these kinds of stuff. So because we are start grooving, we are not started, we are already have been grooving. So there is like a problems also started grooved, okay. So we should know, we should more aware to we should more aware to engage ourselves. We have to be very clear and more aware to be don't panic, don't attacked by this these kinds of things. So yeah, I'm just reading what they are saying. A study conducted among 220,000 residents. So in Australia, adults who sat for 8 hours 15% more likely die of any who sat for less than 4 hours a day. So yeah, this is a first advices they were given. Excess sitting can lead to the premature death, because premature is nothing but a before we are getting that certain time or age, that before we are committing, we will be like a naturally we are getting died. So it is a highly possible. Please wake up, please get up and do, because when we are committing, when we are doing like this, it will be lead to that problem, okay. So it's not a goodest one, am I right? So premature like that, we should aware of that these kinds of qualities, these kinds of things so we don't have to be sit for a more hours, okay. So sitting will lead to that first premature death. Excess sitting may be linked to the cancer. Yes, this is a kind of things is also possible. I hope, I know you, we are all there in that COVID-19 pandemic situations. So we it's not a goodest one, am I right? So when we are doing like this, it's like it lead to that some it lead to the problems. So there is any kinds of diseases, it's highly possible for this kinds of. So we have to be more aware. So sitting is you can ask, sitting is also a problem, everything is problem, that like you can ask. But I'm saying it's like it's a kind of problem, okay. Just think about it and getting and yeah, leave your seat and do any of your works, it will definitely help you to be avoid this kinds of cancer. But it may be they are telling that it may be linked with that these kinds of things. I think it's a cancer regarding that kinds of, okay. Yes. And third thing, watching TV leads to higher risk of death from heart disease. So I'm saying that in my home there is no television, so there is a very goodest one in my home, at my home. But the problem is that we are nowadays purchasing a television for 50,000, 60,000, and 55-inch, 44-inch, 33-inch. Maybe it's like 100-inch also maybe possible. So there is a problem is that we are purchase the big TV for EMI, mostly not for paying full money. So yeah, this is a kind of present society. Many of them purchasing by using their all the offers, all that things. Is then they will end up with a paying all every month due. So that's like a hell. Am I right? So we have to pay by money. It's like a ready cash. It is very good for us. But that thing they are saying is watching a TV, in excess of watching TV, it leads to the heart disease. So yeah, we have to very careful. So this is all using. So television viewing, it's like lead to heart disease. How you can ask? But I'm saying this is reason because we are sitting many much time. So there is no circulation, there is no process inside the body. It will be like you're dumb and just sitting alone. What would it be help to you? So yeah, that is very important. So here are so here just see guys, now I'm going to give that some tips to your mind. So just kindly have in your mind, because it will really helpful to you to prevent this all the kinds of heart diseases or cancers, whatever something. It will help you to be stay more away from this all these kinds of problems, okay. Yeah, first one, use a standing desk, okay. Whenever you are drinking a tea, I seen there is a many coffee shop you seen that they give a seat to sit and drink, am I right? But that is not encourageable here nowadays. I'm seeing tea desk, okay. Yeah, okay, company of tea desk, they are providing and the malls we taken, and they are not the seats are available, just there is only desk, okay. So we just have to stand and eat. So there is also, because they are encouraging you to people don't have to sit for a more hours, instead they have to be do work. So instead of they have to be stand and eat. Standing and eating is not a good test, but I am just saying, yeah, sometimes it is like okay, good also. We're using the is using that phone, use the phone by standing, or emails, or whenever you can you just stand. Yeah, this is a first tip. So whenever you can you just stand, and whenever you get the time, so walk, okay. Just give a walk, even though you don't have even we are in a present situation pandemic. We here the complete lockdown in Tamil Nadu. So we just get a walk by our compound, or in a home alone. There is a very, even a 10 is 10 square feet of room, we can do like a circle, okay. So circle, like we can walk on something we can do. So it's all like as to be possible. So have lunch outside of the office. So use staircases. Yeah, I seen many of the people using elevator, even in our so yeah, elevator using is not a good, it's not appreciable. Even if you are a young, even if you are a very older one, you just using that staircases will leads to a good strength in your physique. Yes, this is one of that. The exercise if possible and allowed. So yeah, and then so we are told to that whenever you just stand, whenever you can walk. So there is like the last step, whenever you can do exercise. And I don't say this is a whenever, it is a mandatory to do exercise to maintain our physique, okay. So there is important is maintain our physique, we should need a exercise, okay. So I give a kind advice to you, to people. um, instead of avoiding exercise, please do exercise. Because in a younger age we are all doing exercise, but after the marriage, so we are not, many people are not doing exercise, because we like a very lethargic, and we only care about our family and wife and children's. So that time we get a many responsibilities and commitments, that time we forget about ourselves. But I am saying please do care about you first. If you start care about you, it will automatically bring the fragments and happiness inside your family, and you can integrate your family within also. So first take care of yourself by do your exercise and have a six packs, okay. I don't say six packs, I at least maintain your body as good, okay. So there is another dish. mm, so we can use the small gadgets to know about what happens. So we can use alarm to remind ourselves there is a 30 minutes before meeting, that like. So we can use small classes to so that one. So we can use camera to inspire you to walk and take photos. So you just use the small gadgets that will help you to that will help you and encourage you to do these kinds of physical activities, standing and walking and exercising. So uh, so otherwise we can, if you are in a good position, maybe in your designation you are there as an office manager, or you are in a good position of a leader of your team, something you have a good in means they definitely your co-members will accept whatever you saying, because you are in a good designation, so you have a power. So that time you can arrange, you can do something different apart from others. So you can conduct a meeting like a, it's open environment meeting, and everyone have to stand, and they can convey their point, or walking meeting. So this is kind of the things are always appreciable. So yeah, this is guidance we are telling. So just be very aware of that, because we have to stand many more time and we have to walk, this is will be really helpful, okay. So this is what we are saying. So we're very focused, because many of the people don't have that idea of why standing is not a goodest, why standing is very goodest one. If you can able to share, if you can able kindly share your share this information to your friends, and you can share this video also if you want. So yes, so then next to that, yeah, this is the slide we are getting from that slide share. So thank you so much for that person, so to give that video, to give that presentation. So please be very careful. So we have to be many hour of sitting is a long day is not a goodest one, okay. Thank you, this is the end of that everything. So if you found this is very informative, so let me know in my comments, okay. Thank you so much, thank you.